listen to the conversation between Mary and Nicholas and then answer the questions. Hi, my name is Mary. Nice to meet you. I'm Nicholas. Where are you from? I'm from Germany, but I live in Paris. And what are you doing in Paris? I'm a student at University of Paris. I study economics. What do you do? I'm a graphic designer. Do you enjoy your work? Yes, I do. I really like creative work. Tell me, what do you do in your free time? Well, I enjoy listening to music. What kind of music do you listen to? I really like rock music. I go to lots of concerts. And you? Well, I like sports and fitness. What sports do you like? Well, I love running. I take part in marathons every year. Really? Do you do any sport or exercise? No, I don't. At the moment, I don't have any time. I'm studying for my exams.